What's up, guys? My name is Han Yoon, CEO of Lunar Digital Assets. As some of you guys have known, DeepCloud AI is a very valued partner of ours. And if you follow me on social media, I'm sure you've seen me post about DeepCloud AI at various times. Um, so last week, I got to meet the team in Santa Clara at the IoT Expo. Um, and that's where they unveiled their Huron beta platform for decentralized computing. So pretty much the Huron platform allows anyone from regular Joes to big data centers with extra resources to lend out. Um, and in this video, I'm very excited to show you how incredibly simple it is to connect your machine to the DeepCloud fabric. Now, keep in mind that this is a private beta, and a lot of things are subject to change and improve. But so far, the experience has been extremely simple and easy. So, yeah, I'm excited to show you what they've been working so hard on.
Alright, so this is the homepage of the Huron network. Obviously, I can't show you the URL yet since it is still a private beta. But yeah, looks pretty good. You can rent computing power or you can get computing power. There's already applications running on the MVP, and for LDA, we have a couple applications that we're going to be rolling out onto the Huron DeepCloud AI network, which I'm pretty excited about. Just because I've never ran our own software on a decentralized network, but I think it'll be pretty fun, and that should come in a later video. This is only part one. So yeah. So first, you would have to sign up, obviously, but we'll skip through all that because I already have an account. And so this is what it looks like when you log in. We already have a server in Los Angeles. It's actually 8 cores, but we only allocated 6 cores. Also has 32 gigabyte RAM, but we only allocated 16 gigabyte RAM. And same with the disk space. Just because we have other applications running on it, the cool part is that you can kind of allocate the amount of resources that you want to allocate, because you still need to have your own applications running smoothly. So yeah, this has been added 1 day ago, and it's already earning HNT tokens, which is testnet tokens, which can be later swapped for the real deep tokens. Again, this is our Los Angeles server. In this video, I'll be showing you how simple it is to launch another resource provider. So I was thinking, we have servers all over the world, from the West Coast to the East Coast, Asia and Europe. But I chose to go with one of our servers in London, so so that it's as distributed as possible, because I do know that a lot of the nodes or resource providers are located in the United States. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing that we have to do is make sure that you have Docker properly installed. So what I like to do is a simple command to get the latest version of Docker. And then once we do that, now it's downloading. Alright, so Docker is now installed on the server. Just to check, you can do Docker version, I believe docker run hello world. Yep, so it says hello from Docker, so that means your Docker is set up. Now all you have to do is download the client from DeepCloud. First, let's go into our own directory so that there's no permission issues. And then just simply download the client, and you'll see that it's downloading. So when you actually download it through wget, it's not in the right format. It's actually a zip file. So what I like to do is just copy the downloaded file into a zip file. Now we see Huron.zip, and then just simply do unzip Huron.zip. Okay, I guess I can install unzip. Alright, now that the file's been unzipped, it created a directory, Huron Downloader Linux. So we'll go into that directory. And pretty much we're almost done. So there's two ways to go about this. DeepCloud, I guess they like to do the no hub, which pretty much means it runs in the background and it logs everything into this file. But there's other ways that we can actually have it run in the background. For example, creating a screen. I'll actually do that because I like using screens more than no hub. Alright, so I went ahead and actually created a screen called Huron. Pretty simple. All you gotta do is screen S and then your screen name. So it would have been this, or actually with the sudo in front. But since we already created one, we'll just reattach to that screen. So sudo screen reattach 17245. So to explain screen a little more, it's pretty much like virtual screens within the environment that you can just switch back and forth. So it's like pretty much having multiple windows open, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm not the best Linux explainer. I'm a Windows guy, so. Oh man, it's light out. Yeah, crypto never sleeps. So what we want to do is we want to run this particular file, Huron download agent, which will connect the server to the Huron network. Let's see if I'm in the right folder. Okay, so Huron download agent. Of course, I forgot sudo. And now let's see it work its magic. And if you ever screw up somehow, you could always run this bash file that'll clean everything up, and then you can restart. Alright, so it looks like it's successfully connected. To get out of this screen, you do Control A and then Control D, and then now you're back here. And as you can see, the container is using resources as planned. Now let's see if it's yeah, see, and now it's connected to the DeepCloud AI fabric, and pretty simple, right? Yeah, if you thought this was simple, then wait until the Windows client. They are, I believe they're very close to launching the Windows client. That's also in beta. So, so pretty much soon, any human being, pretty much with extra resources to lend out, will be able to do so pretty easily. I mean, if I could do this with Linux within, like 5 minutes, then imagine how much easier the Windows client will be. And this is why I think DeepCloud is positioned itself to truly be, I guess, one of the front runners in decentralized computing, because it just makes the user experience so much easier. And yeah, now you can see our Los Angeles server and then our London server.
You're probably sick of me by now, but I completely forgot to mention some very important things. So right now we have a bounty program going on. It's pretty large. So pretty much anyone can earn Deep tokens by, sharing all kinds of content. There's also an airdrop going on. But besides that, phase 2 of the bounty program. Right now we're in phase 1. So the phase 2 will be focused more on onboarding developers as well as resource providers. So I'll be providing a link right here. And yeah, just go to that link if you're interested in being part of the beta program or just want to stay updated. And also our community has been actually growing pretty well. The engagement is great, and people are actually excited about the project. So I'll also be posting the links to Telegram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, whatever social media network I forgot to say. But yeah, definitely check us out, and I better see you there.